When I was in university, I imagined a career either as a professional volleyball player or having my own company. I never imagined myself working in a full-time job and having a career in financial business. Hi, my name is Yağmur. I am from Mazars, Istanbul, Turkey office. I'm a consultant in financial advisory deals team. After gaining a basic knowledge in outsourcing Ankara department, I had a feeling that I don't want a career in accounting, and I also want to improve myself in different areas. The financial advisory team offered me a job, and I took that opportunity and started working as an analyst in financial advisory team in Istanbul. The most important skill, I think, is adaptation, because every project timeline, deadline, all are different, and quick adaptation, teamwork and practicality are indispensable. Being a volleyball player in the past helped me so much. Mostly, I think, teamwork and discipline that I gained in volleyball life contributed greatly to my progress in this field. When I was in university, I imagined a career either as a professional volleyball player or having my own company. I never imagined myself working in a full-time job and having a career in financial business. But now, my fourth year is about to end. What I learned from my past experiences is you do your plan and life goes. So go with the flow.